Hi, if you need to enable or disable reminders to move on Google Pixel Watch Free, then take your phone and open this Fitbit app. Of course, make sure that your watch is connected to the app and then tap this icon on top in the upper left corner and select your Google Pixel Watch Free. Then scroll a bit down to find Reminders to Move section. Select it, and now you can either enable it or disable by tapping on this switch right here. If you want to get reminders, then tap on it so it will light up green. In my case, it is green. And then you can customize it, such as setting reminder period by setting start time first, and then add time, and here setting schedule. So we can disable, for example, everything except workdays. And now this is how it will look. To disable reminders to move, just tap on the switcher to not get reminders. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.